Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. Hope everybody's having a great day. All right, so today we're going to be in the courtroom of Judge Perkins out of the 36th District of Michigan. All right, he's going to be going up against a sovereign citizen, somebody that had gotten pulled over for expired plates. All right, so let's see how this case goes.
All right, so I don't think that where's Mr. Contrell Grigsby's file? Say Contrell. Do you want an attorney, Mr. Grigsby?
No, sir.
I didn't think so.
I'm not. Excuse me. I'm not. Again, I'm in special appearance of Contrell Grigsby, and no.
Well, I need Contrell Grigsby. So whoever, if you're not Contrell Grigsby, then we're gonna put a warrant out. We're gonna put a warrant out for your arrest.
Well, I'm in special appearance of Contrell Grigsby, and whatever.
Right, so I have Contrell Grigsby.
Like I said, I'm in special appearance of Contrell Grigsby, and I do not need an attorney. And he do not, do not need an attorney.
City of Detroit versus Contrell Grigsby, case number SP168333921, SP1683393, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And special appearance of Contrell Grigsby Jr., Shuri Juris and Propria Persona.
That went over my head.
No rights. I do not waive none of my rights.
All right, Woody is today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What do you want to do with these cases?
Should be taking it. First, I want to I've added 2 pieces of documents to the court. I want to put them on a record. And my affidavit of conditional acceptance and my Naturalization Act of 1779 I already had on the record. So
I want to take it. You don't see this phone? All right. Okay, that's on record. What do you want to do with these cases?
I'm fighting.
All right, so you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give them a jury trial date. Let a jury of his peers determine whether his innocence or guilt. Jury trial date, please. In person. The trial date will be in person.
Jury trial. Can handle this. Can this right be handled in private? I request that my this be handled in private. I don't
know what you're talking about. All court appearances are public.
Yeah, all right.
Let's pass it. We're gonna get a jury trial date. And we'll go from there. And all the parties must appear. You don't have to be in person on that, but I want the officer to appear as well, because we want to make sure there's a lot of noise in the background. Somebody's got a lot of noise.
That's going to be it.
I think that might be your background, Mr. Mason. But I want to make sure that that we don't order a jury and it's not going to be actual trial. So June 9th final pretrial, June 10th jury trial, that will be in person. And for all the parties.
Is there since you said you don't have my documents, is there like a way that I could personally send them to you? Like, can I get like an email or something?
You can bring them down to the court.
Okay, cool.
You need to file them the proper way.
Yeah, I went down to the Coleman Young building, and then they said this is not a felony case. They sent me to 36th district, and 36th district said do it, online. So I did it online in like April.
So if
April,
it's
April
online,
9th.
maybe it's in the system somewhere. You can always drop a copy off with the always drop a copy
If
off.
I may, Your Honor, if I may interject, if I may interject, Your Honor, I'll give Mr. Grigsby my email, and we can communicate through email. Mr. Grigsby, I'll put this in the chat for you, okay?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
And the court's gonna need a copy as well, an original copy, so that'll be, Mr. Grigsby, you have the dates, right?
Okay, I got a date, but no time.
8:30 for the pretrial.
8:30.
And it's gonna be 9 a.m. for the jury trial.
9 a.m.
June 10th. June 10th, so come
June 9th.
June 9th at 8:30 and June 10th at 9 a.m.
All right, and you said I could drop it off down at 36th District Court. So who do I bring it to when I come down there?
You can bring it to the courtroom and bring it to the clerk.
All right, court 434.
All right. If there's nothing further, any
And
further
Mr.
questions?
Hold on, Your Honor, Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Grigsby, I just put my email in chat for you, so you can email your documents for the prosecutor's office. You can email the prosecutor's office at Dia Mason. Okay?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
And we will send our documents to you when you email us, so we can email you as well.
Okay. DIA Mason at Detroit. DETRO.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You're all set.
You as well. Peace and love. Thank you. I appreciate y'all.
Okay, y'all. So it looks like Mr. Contrell Grigsby will be back in court on June 9th for a final pretrial, and then he'll be back in court on June 10th in person for a jury trial. Now, it's not a guarantee the jury trial is going to be streamed, but June 9th, I will definitely have that for you. All right. So now we're going to be moving into the courtroom of Judge Adam Sabree, also out of the 36th District of Michigan. He's going to be going up against a Moorish sovereign citizen or a Moorish national. All right. And this involves a rent dispute. He's really going to come heavy with the sovereign citizen lingo in the beginning. He's going to be reading from a script. So it's going to be very interesting to see how Judge Sabree handles this. All right. So let's get to this proceeding.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
All right, Mr. Raleigh, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral estate, Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase. Moorish pedigree. I am competent. I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am all rights preserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 77869, March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD, MC 1368. certificate registration number AA209316, March 31st, 1952, AD MC 1327, Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography, Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. Certificate registration number AA222141, September 8th, 1952, AD MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, Al Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Raleigh.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
Okay. Ms. Haddad will be with you shortly. She has the rest of the cases on the docket. So when she's done, looks like she's in the breakout room with Terry Yancey. When she's done with Terry Yancey, she'll have the opportunity to talk to you. And then I can call your case eventually.
All right.
Yeah. All right, so just sit tight and we'll get to you shortly. Thank you.
All right.
Take care.
All right.
Mr. Raleigh, can you join the breakout room? I have sent you an invitation.
Breakout room.
I'll send you another invite. Give me 1 sec. Do you see the invite, Mr. Raleigh? We are ready on the case ending in 509, Your Honor.
$509.
Yes, Judge.
Calling case number 233455509. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Bryan Raleigh and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Raleigh, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I'm gonna prompt you to.
On mute. Okay. For the record, my name is Bryan D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches 0. And then after the balance is 0, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Raleigh, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right. If you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So good luck. Wish you well. Have a great day. Do you have any questions?
No, my honor.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You are welcome. Take care, Mr. Riley.
All right. You too.
All right. Thank you.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of the proceeding. Mr. Raleigh, it seems that all he has to do is pay, I think, like an extra couple $100 until his balance is 0, and then he'll go back to paying his $542 a month for his rent. All right, which isn't a lot of money. I don't know where he's renting. He must be renting a room or something like that. But either way, it looked like everything worked out for him, despite him, coming with the whole sovereign citizen Morris national defense. All right. So either way, I just want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I'll catch you on the next video. This is Carl from Sovereign Citizen Chronicles. God bless. Peace.